Good morning, my dear students. Now, in class 7, lesson number 10, Never Quit. In this lesson, we are going to discuss a man asked his guru the way to success. The guru pointed a place off in the distance. Now, in this lesson, we are talking about the success, how people are getting, how much sacrifice they are doing, and if people are not willing to do anything. So, this is the main thing here, it is shown to you. A man asked his guru the way to success. The guru pointed a place off in the distance. The man was thrilled by the prospect of quick and easy success. He rushed to that direction. That man was thinking that he will get the success very easily. The guru is telling that side, and if I will go that side, then definitely something I will get. Suddenly there came a loud splat. The man limped back. Due to this kind of splat, he turned back and just tattered and stunned, assuming he might have misinterpreted the message. He repeated the question to the guru. Means he thought, might be I got the wrong information. I misinterpreted my guru. He repeated the question again to the guru. The guru again pointed silently to the same direction. The man walked off once more. This time the splat was deafening. The guru pointed the same direction. Means the guru was not telling anything. The guru was only pointing his finger that direction. And again the next time, the second time, guru said the same thing, that direction. The man walked off once more. This time the splat was deafening. Means very loud it was. And he was thinking from where it is coming, and was broken, tattered and angry. Means he was very much angry, and he was thinking, what is going on, this why not guru is telling me the correct thing. He screamed at the guru, I asked you the way of success. I followed the direction you indicated, and all I got was a split. Means I asked the way of success to you. Means that disciple is asking to the guru, I followed the direction, and what I got? Only a splat? No more of this pointing. Means don't use your hand or your finger. You should talk. Only then the Guru spoke. Success was that way, just a little after the splat. Means what you want, it is there. It is just behind that splat. You have to go, you have to struggle for going, and then only you will get it. What can change an ordinary person into an extraordinary one? It is the perseverance, known as persistence, steadfastness, patience, and tenacity. Every person is ordinarily living in their lives. They are having their own work, their own duties. But perseverance is the main concept that will change you. Steadfastness, patience, tenacity means you must be concentrated over your duties, over your work. It is the ability to hold on your dreams like a bull. Means you should not change your way. If you want to go that side, if you want to become something, you must follow that particular goal, refusing to let go regardless of obstacles. Means you should not change your way if obstacles are there, if people are not understanding you. You must practice, 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 and try again about these things. If you are changing your way, definitely nothing will be in your hand. No one believed in the principle more than the Sir Winston Churchill, who delivered the 9-word address, never give up, never give up, and never give up. Means we should not give up our goals. We should do our duties and our job with full patience. If we are leaving our patience, if we're not doing our work properly, then definitely it will affect our future goals. Perseverance is necessary because nothing worthwhile can be done without it. So you have to expect roadblocks. When you come to one, smash through it. means perseverance is necessary. You must understand your goal. You have to follow your goal. You have to practice daily. You have to be ready for any kind of problems. Many problems may come in your way. So if any problem is coming, go around it. Just change your way and go. Burrow it under, or you can go from under it. Jump over it. You should jump over it. Take a detour, or you should take a detour. Do anything as long as continue towards your goal. And you have to do anything that will help you moving in going that direction. So this is what, this is only the way by which we are thinking that we have to move towards our goal. So the main concept is we should not follow the bad things, the distracting things. We should follow always the good things which is present around us, and then only we will be motivated enough to go towards our goals. People don't succeed because they are destined to. They succeed because they are determined to. Means if a people is knowing that he want to become an engineer, this doesn't mean that he will become an engineer. But the person, if he is determined that I will become an engineer and I am practicing, I am struggling hard, I am studying hard, then only he will become an engineer. So this is not the destiny, this is the determination that one person must have in his heart. Now thank you today's class students. You please learn this lesson, read it, basic concept you must know. If you have any confusion in this, please you can ask me. Thank you.